Hello, this is Marina, and this is my last tutorial for week 3 of the course. It is going to be about adding blocks on Moodle as a manager. In order to do this, I have to go to the Manage Practice area to turn editing. It's been turned on already, so you see I cannot now only turn it off, but it should be turned on for me to be able to add something. Here you can see that on this page there are some blocks already present. Let's add something different. I'm scrolling down, and here I have add a block. If you scroll down all the options, you see that you can add many things, many blocks. Well, let's see what is missing here. I think the calendar is missing. Let's add a calendar. Okay. Where is it? Oh, it's here at the bottom. So I want, let's say, to move it somewhere. To do it, I have to just... no, it doesn't go this way. Yes, I want to move it up and put it, for example, on the left, so that I can see the calendar as soon as I am on the page. Here are some settings of it. I can hide some events if I don't want to see them. Okay, now let's delete it. Let's delete this block and confirm that I really want to delete it. Okay, now let's add something else here. Let's add, for example, online users. This block helps you to see which users are online now, and for the moment, and in the last 5 minutes, well, I'm the only one online. So let's delete this block as well. Okay. Well, this is basically it. You can add some more blocks if you want to, if you think they are necessary for your page. And that's it. Thank you.